You're not just playing with me?
Okay.
Okay.
I don't know how to read this, and then we just put a little goop on top. It's already free, I already paid for it. I haven't even my pants once today.
No, old people suck.
Old people, dude.
The Sandman is not the greasiest hotel in Revelstoke.
How long did it take you to put that crack together, man?
6. There it goes. I just walked in off the street.
Brian just lets you sleep in the basement?
Yeah, dude, it's so nice down there. Good night, you're gonna die on these stairs now. So, bought $6 worth of babies, and now I'm hiding them around the shop and Brian doesn't know.
Oh, dude, yeah.
Pass!
Brian's paying me to film this, I gotta film it. Do you like tall hose or short hose?
You know. Okay, well. That thing's working. I need a bucket.
15.
Ah.
Oh.
Oh, look at that guy.
Look at this guy.
Weak.
Hey, Bryn.
What?
Shut up. Where'd I put my sandwich?
Dalton, do you know where the sandwich is?
I don't.
Dalton, can you grab that baby off the floor by the printer? I've been putting these little tiny babies all over the shop. There's been like one.
It's not that hard for it.
Okay, well then.
Aren't you guys supposed to know how to do this?
No, I've never touched a bike in my life.
There's a YouTube video you can watch on how to do that, eh?
Dude, that'd be so funny to have your video up in the background.
Do you have an issue?
Struggling. Honesty is key, I guess.
Is that just gonna be the theme for the rest of the video? James references? Okay!
That would be so good. I feel like Dalton would do the best one.
Dalton, let's hear your 2 Chainz okay impression. Okay.
No.
Let's hear it.
Come on, Brian.
Yeah.
Dalton, come on. Give her your best go.
Okay.
2 Chainz, but I'm wearing.
if 2 Chainz was a white dad with like 3 daughters.
I don't know how to read.
I don't know how to
Hold
read.
on.
Next is pretty quick one. So.
What's the point of using Teflon tape?
You know, it reduces creaks, and then we just put a little goop on top and
Watertight.
Nice.
watertight. That was a really good description.
Here. Or no, keep those like this. It only has one for the rock box. Which is another thing. I'll put on Darren's account. It faces the drive side for him. Well, yeah. Basically, you could be riding your Niner for free.
It's already free. I already paid for it.
Is that what the definition of free is?
Yeah, I guess not really. Eh?
How long did it take you to put that crack together, man?
6 or so.
It's just 6.
Nothing more, nothing less. Just 6.
Interesting. Test, what's the difference between blue and red Loctite?
One needs fire, the other one doesn't.
When Brian asked me that, I think I said one makes your poop a little bit hotter and the other one makes it like not so.
I don't think you're supposed to eat those, eh?
Oh yeah, get that on there.
Oh, f***.
That's what happens when you leave 2 children. 2 children in charge of a bike van.
There it goes.
Yeah, fine. I mean, that was made in like the top 5.
Oh yeah.
There she goes. Fucking Deviate spacers. It's all fucked now.
How many Newton meters are going on that bad boy?
41.
What headset are you putting in there?
We got a Cane Creek headset.
The model number is just headset.
Yeah, it's actually really easy to figure out what it is, what you're looking at.
Yep.
Oh my god, just got grease everywhere. Here's that little lizard. There it is.
You put the lizard in the front.
Absolutely. It's required You just get arrested immediately if it's not.
You missed the lizard? Straight to jail.
You're stealing, right to jail.
If I knew that meme better, I would quote it directly.
You're charging too high prices for sweaters. You right to jail.
Super Troopers and Super Bad are both like...
Oh yeah, what about Hot Tub Time Machine?
I've never seen that. I've never seen Hot
You
Tub
haven't
Time.
seen Hot Tub Time Machine? There's like 3 of them, aren't there? So, fork time.
What fork you putting on there?
Olin's fork.
Are you sure you work at a bike shop?
No. I just walked in off the street. Well, I don't get paid, so.
You don't get paid? No. Brian just lets you sleep in the basement?
Yeah, dude. It's so nice down there. You should get a shot of it. Good night. You're gonna die on these stairs now. I forgot to grab headset spacers.
That looks good on that bike. Oh my
Oh,
god.
it looks so saucy. Those like 350-kilometer loops around the lake are insane.
Dude, when I turn 65, I'm sure I'll be like wanting to do more ups and downs too. So.
Oh yeah.
You saying Dalton's 65?
Oh yeah. I'm 70. Like we're 70 like me.
Okay, I need to change the blade because we literally have like 6 teeth on this blade. We had one little baby in the shop, and I thought it was weird, so I started moving it around, and I found 80 of them on Amazon for $6. So I was like, oh, why not? So bought $6 worth of babies, and now I'm hiding them around the shop, and Brian doesn't know. And I'm gonna just convince him that there's still only one, but now there's like 17. So.
You do that every time you put a part on.
Yeah. Oh yeah. It would be
I mean-
so sick all the time. Probably not in like pose. You'd be like, oh my god, I'm so f***ing tired of hearing this.
Ooh, yes, round those bolts off.
Don't tell the customer that.
The thing you could do is put paper sticker on it.
Yeah, dude. Like, who's this?
Who did that?
What the? I'm gonna blame Dalton on that one. It's Dalton's fault. It's gotta be. Classic Dalton. Apparently that's not his real name actually. Your mom calls him sexy.
Wow.
Good question. You know, it's done that like that. You probably loosen that stem off.
Yo, really?
Is that
Put any friction paste in there?
I did.
You did put friction paste.
I did. I'd say it's on camera, but I don't think it was.
If there's no friction paste on camera, then people are gonna call us out on YouTube.
That's true. Should I just do everything wrong just to get people riled up?
By this point in the video, if people aren't tired of our banter, they're just committed to it.
Let's do shock. I like how the bench is just like proceeding to get more and more chaotic.
Let's go through a checklist here. You like
Olin's
Start
shock. I'm gonna just like put it together quickly just so I know how it goes, so it can look really good. Okay, well I already f***ed up I think. Please don't put that in.
I'm definitely putting that in.
God, you're killing me.
No wonder Brian wanted you building this one, because he was...
He didn't want to look bad.
No, exactly. He looks bad enough as it is. But he was born that way, you know?
You can't blame him really. You can only get dropped so many times before it starts to show. These are the worst bolts ever. It's just you gotta do this. Over and over.
Gotta do that about 400 times. Oh, dude, yeah.
Pass!
Nice.
I missed. There it is.
I usually chase the thread.
Yeah.
What's the difference between SLX and XT?
Price point, reliability,
Yeah, I
a
guess
little
so,
more with the
right?
XT.
I need to finish something.
It's a gift that keeps on giving. Very nice. Great.
You always want to cut too short so you can always add more on.
Yeah, exactly. You just glue it on to the end. Basically, I showed up here. Brian showed me the chaos in the back of all the bike parts. And he was like, this is what you'll be living in. Oh, okay. That was pretty much it. Okay, I'm gonna put one on the front.
Don't mess it up, Brian. Don't mess it up, Brian.
Oh, f***.
Dude.
There he goes. That just
took
didn't.
so long.
Let's see if this one goes in any easier. Oh, God. Like a dream.
Biggest drop you've done, Bryn?
I'm not much of a jump guy. Maybe
No, but
like
you
7-8 feet. I've only been riding since like 2014 or something.
Dude, that's like 10 years.
Shut the fuck up.
Dude, 2014 was 9 years ago.
That is sad. You just made me realize how long ago that was now. I don't know what I'm doing here.
What's up? Dude,
What's the matter? Big Jing.
现在我有冰淇淋。
I'm definitely gonna put that meme in the video.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Quit laughing at me. It happens.
Apparently only to you.
Apparently. A cinematic process of trying to make zip ties work, but...
I'm not here for cinematics, I'm here for jokes.
Call me a joke?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No, I'm just saying you look funny.
Oh.
Ooh.
Not as graceful as I wanted. You're gonna destroy a really expensive derailleur and it's gonna suck. I've seen you come in to replace almost everything else on your bike, including the bike. Well, as soon as you put an expensive one on, it's just gonna be like a rock magnet.
Yeah, that's why I don't replace the windshield on my car. It has like so many like...
Genius!
Bryn, can you explain to us what you're doing here? What's the technical...
Technical term, making hose not too short, not too long.
You like tall hose or short hose?
You know, it's more the motion of the ocean sort of thing. Ready for some hose action?
Where them hose at?
Right here. Got hella hose.
Hello. Ryan left us unsupervised.
That's a Bryn problem.
12 times 5.
Oh my god. Okay, well. That thing's working. Definitely just pushed a bunch of air in there. So good.
What are you missing, Bryn?
Plunger for the cup. I'm out of ideas.
Moment of drama and tension. Could not find a plunger. We're using a rag.
And my finger. I need a bucket. Didn't even make much of a mess.
No, dude, you're being chill.
Goated. The walkie slut.
Also a classic.
God, that's tight. I think really, really wide.
It's my favorite lens.
Dang.
It's like wide.
That is wide.
Yeah, it's
Almost as wide as your mom.
Wide.
I felt that you were gonna get to it, so I was like, I have to rush to get to that before like anyone else does. Brian's old.
Dude, he's old.
Oh, I need to tilt this.
Before you guys know it, you're gonna be in your 30s, and you're like, what the f happened?
Don't pretend like you're in your 30s, Brian.
The stress of owning a bike shop for 2 years has just raged my health, but
What?
yeah, this checks.
Yeah, it looks like 64. Maybe a little more, actually.
You
think that's more than 64?
Yeah. Okay,
don't
watch
think
this.
that's more
Watch
than
this. I can grab 16.
I think that's worth it. Did you even use it for mountain bike stuff or not really?
It's 16.
No way. No, count
Here,
it.
count
out.
it, count it.
You check.
Jeez, you're great at counting.
15. Oh.
Can't trust a child.
Don't blame him. Dude, look who's talking.
Hey!
Yeah. Yeah.
Excuse me. I'm not getting paid, that's for sure. Cool.
We'll go on to 290. I never said yes, you're gaslighting me.
Yeah. Fantastic.
No. Got it.
See the technique.
Don't
Pressure's
sweat
on.
the technique.
Who's gonna finish it first? Brian's looking pretty dialed.
I'm gonna wrestle this on the f***ing floor. It's a f***ing downhill case and a tennis.
Oh my god.
Done, son. Oh, look at that guy.
Look at this guy.
Weak.
Hey, Bryn. Shut up.
Brian, you've been beat for a tire installs twice on YouTube now.
I know. This time it's not fair.
How is this not fair? Also, haven't you been going to the gym or something? Aren't you like doing CrossFit every day?
You go to CrossFit?
CrossFit! I do go to a CrossFit gym.
It's pretty fruity.
Can't
When
say
I
that.
kick all your ass on a bike this year. Dude,
Oh yeah.
this is not a fair comparison.
I really think it is.
Yeah, he was telling me that. He's like, it's part of it.
Oh,
Oh.
keeping it real?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, yeah, S game mode.
My ego's bruised.
Physical pain. Oh my god. Yeah, go
Bust
for it.
this up here.
Oh.
He's shipping my kidding. There's an enigma at the shop on.
Did someone let one rip?
That's definitely Brian. He's working extra hard, so he's just letting them go.
Dude, that's a toxic one.
I haven't even my pants once today.
It's a workplace hazard.
Brian, I'm proud of you. You got it on.
I knew I could. I mean, I'm pretty
Brian,
much the GOAT. That's
you're
why
the-
Bryn calls me the GOAT.
You're good.
Owner of that bike just randomly stopped the
Oh, are you the owner?
Dude, I put so many scratches on it. It's gonna explode. Wait, get some soapy water.
Ooh.
Right side. It's easier. Either or. Sorry, count the wrong direction. At least this one. Because there will be.
How much? I don't even know. Like,
I'll be stoked to see all that.
Whoa.
Yeah, so you want? It's called an outboard. Inboards. And then you just grab it.
maybe down the road we save up.
We're using the hose cutter
Flawless.
Yeah.
for the hose tool.
Perfect
And then
education.
we'll worry about all of our both levers at the same time. It got stuck inside a bike and he cut it.
Next time you do the Jackson Core, you have to get them to do that.
Yeah, I know. Old people suck.
Old people, dude.
Coolest.
So cinematic, bruh.
Can you teach me how to dab?
Good job, Bryn. Woo! Woo! Do you want to do the like and subscribe? Because we need a like.
And subscribe, yeah!
Wow, that was energy. I haven't seen that out of Bryn before.
I know. He's always so docile. Some neutered cat, dude.